Hello, Professor. My name is Chris Lanning, and this is the dissection of the cow eye, the last lab in the class. As you can see, I have my specimen tray, and all of the work has already been done here. I have nothing here. This is my work computer screen. I have nothing to assist me. This is the items list to go over, just to make sure I stay on track, but everything else is room free and clear of anything that could be test compromise. So moving along, so we go in here. We'll start with the very first thing. Here is a picture or a page with the lens on it. This here is the optic nerve. You can see where it attaches into the base of the posterior region of the eye there, and then actually comes out on the back side here. I didn't remove everything because I was afraid I was going to cut it off. This is some of the extrinsic eye muscle. This is what moves the eyeball around. You can see a pretty big chunk of it there. The cornea is right here. I actually have this inside out, so if you look right in here, the cornea is there. I had to cut it, and because the specimen is so damaged, it was really difficult. That's why I had to turn it inside out to be able to get to everything that's in here. Now you can see some more eye muscle there. And the cornea is right inside there. It's the clear plastic spot. The sclera is the actual outside portion here. If you look very closely, you can see the different portions of the outer portion. This outermost layer being the sclera here, and then you go into the retina, the optic nerve here, the optic nerve right in there, the retina in the back there, and then in between there would be the choroid, which supplies blood to the eyeball and to the optic nerve. The pupil is right here, and you can see through the hole right there that is the pupil into my blue glove that lets light through into the ciliary body and through the lens. The lens right here on the paper that says lens, this thing's really hard. It's like rock hard. I couldn't cut into it. It does have some stuff here attached I didn't remove completely. I wasn't sure. The instructions were a little vague on that. Let's see, and the iris. The iris is right here. I've stripped it back. I didn't remove it completely, so then you would see where it's attached to the eye, but it would be attached like so. The lens would go like so. And then the in-between there is that anterior chamber that would be, I guess, kind of empty fluid filled. But you can't really see much with that anterior chamber other than just the thickness of the cornea that goes in there, and then you can see where these different layers all attach in. And that's where you're going to have some more of your choroid and areas where the blood is going to be able to get to those things. So overall, that is the eye. This was very challenging because this eyeball was very damaged. You can't even really see where the optic nerve comes out on the back side, really. Just this little black dot right there. And then, of course, in here you can see it pretty good where it attaches right there. And then this being the retina and everything else. So I will attach a second video for part 2, but there is your eyeball. Thank you.